How do I wash this? Do I put the whites? What about denim? Do I put this with this? Wait, what? I'm confused. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Brandon and this is Style So Dapper, and today we're going to talk about laundry. Yes guys, a lot of people don't know how to wash their own clothes. They do it improperly and their clothes don't last as long. So basically I just wanted to show you guys how I wash my clothes and kind of give you some guidelines on the right way to wash your clothes. First thing that you want to do is you want to separate all the colors, you know, the whites with the blacks and then all other colors. Typically it should be 3 piles, all whites, blacks and grays, and then everything else. Some items that you don't put in the washing machine is going to be things like sport coats, suits, anything that comes from an animal skin, like anything leather, suede. Those items you need to take to the dry cleaners, but you don't have to take it after every wear. You can wear it quite a few times before you need to take it to the dry cleaner. Now that you have everything separated, now it's time to throw it in the washing machine. But not all cycles are the same, and I know it could be a little intimidating. I mean, you got hot water, cold water, warm water, you got gentle cycles, heavy cycles, casual cycles. Sometimes it gets confusing. Well, let me give you guys a couple guidelines. The first thing is the water. I wash everything in cold water. The reason why you want to do that is hot water or warm water will fade the colors out of the clothes. And then typically I put everything on a casual cycle just because I don't want the heavy agitation to really beat up the clothes. Now the only exception I would have to the cold water and the casual cycle would be like underwear and socks and gym clothes or anything that was really out in the elements and really got dirty and muddy. Then I would probably use hot water and a heavy agitation just to really get it clean. I live in an apartment and they just happened to take a blower to the hallway, and I'm sure you guys can hear that. 10 minutes and he's still going. All right, he's gone. All right, now that we have everything in the washer, now it's time to throw it in the dryer. But there's a couple steps in between that as well. So let's say that you have a shirt or pants or something like that that just fits you perfect. It's the first day you bought it and you haven't washed it yet, and it like fits you perfect. If you shrink it just even a little bit, it's not gonna fit no more. Well, that particular shirt, do not throw in the dryer. You wanna hang that up and let it air dry. Any pants, shirts, whatever it is, let it air dry. It's very important. After that's air dried, you can either A, throw it back in the dryer and put it on the tumble low cycle and let it run for like 10-15 minutes. That'll get all the wrinkles out and soften it up a little bit. Or option 2, or B, you can buy an iron and an iron board and learn how to iron, which every guy should know how to do. All right, so everything else you can throw right into the dryer and just put it on a regular cycle. Throw you know, dryer sheets into it according to how big the load is. 1 dryer sheet, 2 dryer sheets, doesn't matter. Just throw those in there, and then as soon as it's done drying, take it out and fold the clothes. Because if you don't, they're gonna get really wrinkly just sitting in there. And again, that just looks nasty, wrinkly clothes. Another quick tip is your denim jeans. Turn those inside out before throwing them in the washing machine. That'll help keep the color of the jeans, you know, the way they should be, and it won't fade it too much. And the same thing goes for the dryer. And I mean, that's basically it, guys. It's pretty simple and pretty basic, but I know a lot of people that don't know how to wash clothes. They just tend to throw it all in there together in hot water. I mean, dirty socks and work clothes with your nice dress shirts and things like that. That's just not the way to do it. To really get the value and the life out of your clothes, you gotta wash them a certain way. When in doubt, every piece of clothing has a label in it, kind of like this one. Just right in the shirt, at the bottom of the base of the shirt. This label right here will tell you everything that needs to be done to the shirt wash-wise. I mean, it's all right there. Just follow those directions and you'll get you'll get the best value out of that piece of clothing, and it will last a long time. Well, I hope this video helped you guys out, and that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give my opinion on how to wash clothes and some basic guidelines. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.